What's going on, everybody? I wanted to dedicate this video for everybody that's subscribed to my channel, and also in that thought, if you go ahead, take a minute, go ahead and like my videos, subscribe and hit that bell icon, so that little thumbs up button and then the bell button after you hit subscribe button, you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And this is a shout out to all my subscribers. I just hit a milestone that I never thought that I'd get to. 50 subscribers. Now, to a lot of people, that's just small potatoes, whatever, right? I want to thank every one of you, all 50 y'all, for subscribing and liking my videos and commenting. It really helps out. I never thought I mean, like 4 months ago, 5 months ago, I never thought I'd do a YouTube channel. I never thought I would ever be doing YouTube. You know, I had this SportGlide I just bought, and I was researching exhausts, and I really wanted to get the GOPRO 909 exhaust slip-on. And I found a few videos of motorcycles just idling in the driveway, which helps. It helps, but you don't really get video of them riding by and all that, and hearing what they sound like. So I figured I'd just get my cell phone out and go to an empty parking lot and film that. And it was just a little, you know, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and just film that because I figured it'd help somebody else out. And boy, little did I know that, you know, I go look at my YouTube channel. It's not even my channel at that point. It's just I hop on YouTube to go look at videos just like y'all do. You know, most people don't just create YouTube content. They go on YouTube because, at least for me, I find YouTube and Netflix and like Amazon Prime and all that way more enjoyable than just regular television. I don't even have cable. I haven't had cable in like 7 years. And I think that's kind of where the future's going, is digital media. It's already going there. I mean, there's no Blockbusters anymore. There's only one left, I think, in Alaska, I think. It's the last Blockbuster in the world. Going strong. But anyways, I want to thank y'all. It means a lot to me to have 50 subscribers in such a short amount of time. I never would have imagined in 1,000 years that I'd post a video up. And yeah, I knew it would probably help somebody out, their decision making of what they wanted to do with you know, the GOPRO slip-ons. If they either like it or they found out, oh, I don't want that, I want something else, you know. It blew up, you know. I saw I had 1,000 views, and I'm like, what the heck, 1,000 views? And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get a GoPro. Been wanting to get one anyways, so when my wife and son and I go on trips or go on a cruise or what have you, we'll have something that we can document our time and upload it and have it forever. Just like the old school camcorders. My dad used to carry a big giant camcorder around and batteries. I remember we went to Disneyland one time. mean, these camcorders are like 20 pounds, right? You have to rest it on your shoulder, and you have to have a freaking handle to just no, I'm not, I'll go straight, just to stabilize it. And you have VHS tapes that you popped in there, and now we have something. You got a cell phone. Anyways, back on hand here, back on the subject. You know, I have ADD apparently, so I gotta focus, lock it up. But thank y'all, it means a lot to me. It actually has given me a lot of motivation to continue on this journey, and I'm very happy to give it to y'all. This experience is awesome already. In this content, in this same subject though, what do y'all want to see from me? What do you want to see me put out in my content? Do you want to see reviews, bike reviews, gear reviews? 'Cause I do wear gear. 95% of the time I have full gear on. Even when it's hot, and I'll have a motorcycle jacket that I wear that right now, you know, it's about 90 degrees and muggy, but it breathes so well, and it has armor in the shoulders, the back, elbows, but it feels like, it does not feel like I have a big bulky jacket on, and it breathes comfortably in this Texas heat. So what do y'all want to see? I mean, I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing in my stuff, but if you want to see something specific, I'm gonna do everything I can to try to make it work between my work schedule and family time, because this is all about y'all. Honestly, it's not about me. It's about, I find joy in helping people out and entertaining people, making people laugh. And that, yeah, it's almost 4th of July and the fireworks stands are open. Freedom, baby. But thank you again from the bottom of my heart. This 50 subscribers, like I said, I just never would have thought in 1,000 years that I'd be doing the YouTube videos. I always thought it was complicated, and I'm still learning it. Trust me, I am still learning the ways of the YouTubes, especially video editing, and trying to get this microphone set up to sound better. And you know, it takes a lot, and I never had any idea how much effort it took to, you know, you got to basically run it like a business if you want to get any kind of viewership, any kind of subscribers. And my 50 subscribers is, man, can't thank you enough again. So go ahead and like I said, let me know what you want to see. Do you have any, you know, constructive criticism, any tips for me? If you do YouTube, you know, what programs do you use to video edit? I use DaVinci 16, and it's not the most intuitive program for somebody just starting out. So it was pretty tough to get over that hurdle at first. My first videos, and they're still, I'm pretty sure if I look back a year from now and look at my videos that I'm producing right now, this video, I'm gonna look back and be like, wow, people watch this? It's because you grow. I try to grow every single time I make a video. to learn something. If you're not learning something every single day, you're not doing life right. I'm telling you that much right now. But yeah, dragging my freaking dragging my boot there. But I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. There's gonna be a lot more videos to come. I already shot a few today that I'll be editing and uploading. I will be doing a schedule that I'm going to do my best to adhere to. I think 3 videos a week. It's a lot of work, you know. It takes a couple hours to edit and upload each video. But I want to do every Tuesday. Oh, there again. I saw them in a different video that I just uploaded, or will upload. You might see that one later. I don't know how I'm going to upload the schedule, but I want to do my schedule be Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, 3 a week. Apparently YouTube's algorithms, from what I've done all the research on, is they want to have a consistency, and my viewers want to have a consistency. Y'all want to have consistency. So anyways, that's what it is. So thank you again. I said that about 7 times already. I'm just rambling on now apparently, but it means a lot to me, folks. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, and go ahead and comment down below, and hit subscribe. And don't forget that when you do that subscribe button, you need to hit that bell icon so you see every single time I do an upload, you get notified. Peace out, y'all.